And so we're all quarantined now. And what do we do when we're quarantined? Well, I do chemistry experiments. And I'm going to tell you a little bit of history about chemistry. Its roots go back to alchemy. There's a band of people who used to go to town squares, and in every town square they have a fire pit, and that would be the center part of the town, where they would have fire for warmth, and they cook food, and it'd be a light source, and they would cry, say, "Hear-ee, hear-ee! You come by, you bring me your copper plates, your copper utensils, your copper instruments, and I, for a small fee, will change them into silver." And this got people very, very excited. So I happen to have here a torch, and we're going to make a little copper transformation from copper to silver. And I have here a roll of pennies. These are very, very shiny, brand new pennies. Here, I'll put a penny in this cup here. So you have a cup full of pennies. I'll put a couple more pennies in here so you get to see. So we have some pennies here. And so I'll put the pennies into a cauldron. It's kind of like stone soup. And then people got excited. And what happened was this. A crowd formed. And people say, "Well, what's going on?" And they said, "Well, this guy, this wizard, is going to change our copper into silver." Wow! Can you do it for me too? Well, sure he can. So they would go home and they would get their copper tools, their copper plates, their copper cups, and they would bring them and they would put them into this cauldron. And they would cook boil the cauldron. And a crowd got a bigger crowd. So we got big, big crowds happening. So I'm going to do a little stirring and see exactly how my pennies are coming along here. They're coming there. Cook it just a little bit more. And over here in this bucket, I happen to have some nice cool water because that's obviously going to be very, very hot. So I'm going to dump this eventually in here into this bucket. And when we're all done, I have a cup full of regular water so you can see that this is the real thing. I'm not doing anything else that you can see in this video. So I have maybe one or two that kind of looks like they could be done. I have one. This one in there. All right, here we go. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to cool it off just a little bit. Just cooling off. And then I'll put it over here, as I said. I'll turn off my flame so we don't catch a fire. And I'm going to reach in here and pull out my nice, shiny, silver penny. See if I can do this silver versus copper. See if we can change. Oops, sorry about that. This right here is the silver. That's the copper here. Not sure how you can see that. There we go. So, these people were very excited. Wow, we have silver utensils. Fantastic. One said, "Well, for another small fee, I will change your silver into gold." Well, of course, they want to do that. They just saw this miraculous, their copper cups changing to silver cups. And now they'll change them to gold. Wow. So they pay even more money. And they did that over the flame again. So I'm going to try to take this silver penny. And right before the eyes, this is changing into gold. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty golden right there. And that's actually very, very hot. Yeah, you don't want to touch that. And I'll show it to you in the camera. touch it. All right. It's cool enough, I think. All right. So this is $1 for reference. So that's my gold penny. This is my silver penny. And this is a copper penny. So I've just changed. See what I did? I've just changed copper right here. This is copper. And to silver. This right here is silver. And from silver and to gold. And that actually looks very gold, and kids love this. If you give them a golden penny, a silver penny, they'll love it. They'll treasure it. They'll keep it forever.